Look, when you dig, let's see if you do it. At the level.
Okay.
At the very end.
All right, Mr.
Good morning, guys. It's Charles coming at you from the Garden State. So today we're going over to another house that's in that same neighborhood that we were just at. Customer, what they want to do is they want to leave the center of their driveway. There's little 2-foot sections on each side they want to take out, and also their patio area by their front door, they want to switch that as well. So I'm gonna get everything all together. We're gonna go over there, we'll meet Tom. So let's get over there, let's start making some noise. Alright, so we just pulled up to the job. Hey Tom, good morning.
All right.
How you doing?
Good. Yourself?
Good. So, yeah, Tom he's here, and now we're gonna get set up. Today's a nice day, so we have nice weather for this. A little breezy, but tomorrow it feels good today. So tomorrow we're going to have the concrete truck on at 7:30. You know, we're gonna be doing sections of the driveway, so we have to pour around other concrete. So, you know, as concrete guys, as you know, it makes it more challenging, you know, when you're constantly butting up against someone. So, you know, but that's what we have to do. I'm sure it'll go fine, you know. So we have to set up, get ready, put a plan together, and then tomorrow morning we'll have that truck here. So this rail, we got to pull that out. All right, so I guess what we'll do is we'll stage ourselves. Let's work from this section first. Let's get all the plywood. We'll put like 4 or 5 pieces long ways right here, so that I can come on and turn and then reach out and pick that up with the forks, get the rail out.
Alright. You'll be able to do that with the forks?
Yeah.
This side's not in the concrete, right? Like the other side?
Nah, it's in the dirt.
It's in the dirt, okay. So that'd be easy enough to take out.
Yeah.
Are we putting it back in?
No.
So it doesn't matter?
No, we're just picking it up and picking it out. The customer, he actually is in construction, so you know what he did is he actually cut out some rail over there. You know, he put a temporary support just to hold up the corner. It's a lot of concrete to be ripping out with the saw and jackhammer. We'll see what we could do. Maybe we could take the forks and reach under and pick it up from over here, get a sledgehammer on it, and then from there we could break everything up and carry it out by hand, throw in the bucket and then into the trailer. Who knows? We'll see. Do it somehow. Yeah, you see the breaker? You just can't wait to break someone.
I'm eager, man. for it.
He sees all this concrete and he just can't wait. Well, works out perfect, I guess. Tom, you want to hold it? Yeah, not bad.
And this side doesn't have any concrete on the other.
Yeah, it's not heavy, but it's a little heavy. I think if we take the saw and make a cut right here, even though it's broke already, we'll make a cut right there. We could get this one out. This one right here we'll take out. That'll be our keyway to get into the rest of it. You know, I could come over here and pick up on it enough to where we could hit it with the sledgehammer and start breaking it up. That's it. Try the jackhammer. Where's your earplugs?
Oh, I took them out.
You need them? No?
No, the saw was way more.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
We gotta work one side at a time with these.
What do you mean?
Like both of us on this side.
Both of us on this side?
Oh yeah, we're like the skid steer. We don't even need that machine now. Here, let's flip it up. Spin it. Alright, hold on. Here, let's go. Let's flip this up. Now go onto it. Ready? You go that way. Ready? Now spin it on. Okay. A little more. Okay.
thought maybe you were a scoop.
No, no. Woohoo. Look at that. See that?
Oh, jeez. Is it gonna fall on us?
Yeah, it's gonna fall.
Good YouTube.
Oh, it's still heavy. You know how it is. Sometimes ideas in your head go different.
Right? I have a problem.
We just took lunch. Customer bought us some gigantic subs. I almost ate the whole thing. I don't know if Tom did. Tom, you eat the whole thing?
Almost.
All right, so he almost ate the whole thing. How much? We gotta see who won.
It's about like a quarter left.
Yeah, me too. All right, it's a tie. I'm just kidding. We don't care. A little bit, but we don't care. All right, so we're gonna get back to work now. We gotta get all this concrete out. We gotta get this base in, get some sand out, get the base in, get the rebar forms, everything tamped. This one's technical because concrete's coming out in all different spots except for the main part, so it just makes it hard. But we're gonna get through it. We'll do the hardest part almost now.
Something splashed in my eye. I don't know what it was. You're supposed to wear glasses, right?
Yeah. Alright, so making another run of running concrete to the place, to the plant. So I already brought in one load of our blend, and we're gonna run this load of concrete, which will be our third, and then we're gonna come back with another load of our blend. I'm not sure how much we need, but the pour's tomorrow, so we can't mess around. Gotta make sure we have what we need on the job, and I'm gonna grab some rebar too. What do you think? You think we have it?
What do you mean?
You think we'll be ready for tomorrow?
I don't see why not.
Yeah. Oh man, got a flat tire, and you got a hole right here. Flat tire.
Put a nail in the tire?
Yeah, I guess so. Okay. I just need this tire to hold up during this job, that's all. I think we have just enough time.
Yeah, what was it, about 2 hours roughly? A little over?
Yeah, it's gonna go quick. Yeah.
I'm saying. We don't have to let this one grind before the other.
Hey, we almost got this. We're doing good.
Keep digging, man. Keep digging. Hey, now.
Hey, we were hoping that you have some more roots over here for us.
And I was pointing to the truck. I just washed it.
What? Oh, oh yeah, I know. It's still clean though. Like,
It's clean under the dirt.
look when you dig. Let's see if you do it at the level
Okay.
at the very end.
All right, Mr. Shaw.
Almost, not quite.
Right there, and then. Listen,
Especially if you want to dig a pool, you gotta know how to do this.
I'm getting an excavator for that.
Ready? Watch. Well, you hit concrete on that. It doesn't count. This one counts. All right, that was good. That was good.
We're doing it different. What I'm doing, the reason I'm doing it is because I use my arms and my upper back. You're moving with it, using your momentum, which is so much smarter. But like, see, like you go into it. Me, I'm just like arms back. Like,
You gouge it.
yeah, exactly. See?
Good thing we got a compactor. I'll keep coming in and feeding as we go, right?
This is the height I need to be at.
Yeah. We'll make like a road and then you pull off to the sides with it. Hey Tom, all that, go that way with. Yeah, I'll help you. So you get good on a rake.
Yeah.
You'll get good on a machine.
Machine? Like what kind of
Like
machine?
well, like a
Skid?
yeah. I mean, there's a whole
Leveling it with a skid?
yeah. I mean, you gotta know how to run it too. But if you understand this stuff, then you'll understand that stuff as you do it.
Getting there, right?
Yeah. So I think we're all set in here. Alright, so we had a long day today. We ran into all kinds of stuff. You know, today we ran into roots, flat tire, concrete being technical, trying to come out. And so what we ended up doing is we're gonna pour everything tomorrow. So what we did now is we actually split the load. So because now the customer, he wants to replace the steps. Originally he wasn't going to. So we took those out. So as you know, you want to do those separately. To the pour, we're gonna pour the steps right on top. So pour everything, get all nice, come down this side here, get that done. And then we'll prep that area over there, and we'll do a separate pour just over there. It just kind of takes off that pressure because you have the sun beating on this side, and then you have to get the slab finished for the porch area. And we're just gonna be battling it the whole time, and also trying to pour the step at the same time. So it'll be like an obstacle course. So we don't want to deal with that. So we're just gonna break it up into 2 pours, and that's what it is. And we're happy because it's less pressure. So, now it's time to get off work. And tomorrow we'll start back up. Pours at 8:30. So we kick that back a little bit too because of this stuff. So, we'll see you guys in the morning.